This video is sponsored by the brand DEPSTECH.
Here I got the endoscope by DEPSTECH. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that you receive and then a quick demo of me using this in my car so you know exactly what to expect when you product your eyes. But here's going to be what you get. So you get the case with the endoscope inside. I'm going to open it up here. I'm going to bring the camera over and you can see what's inside the case. Okay, so let's take a look in the case. Overall, it's very nice. It's separated. Down here is going to be where your camera is at, so you can keep that safe, padded top over the top of it. Here's going to be that cable, and it just plugs in there, and I'll show you how to do that. But other than that, you're going to get a stand, so if you do want to just put this on the table and tilt it up, you can do that. Here's going to be your charging cable, similar to any phone charger. Plug it in, plug it into the camera, very, very simple. And then you also do get some hooks as well. And I just like how you get all separations here and everything has a spot, so you don't have to just throw it into there and it's all messed up. So everything is nicely organized for you whenever you're using it, and you can put it back and it'll be organized for you again when you want to use it. But let's get this thing set up so it cannot be easier. So here's going to be what you got to do. Literally just power it on. Power on a few seconds. What's nice too, comes fully charged. If you want to use this right when you get it, you can do that. Once we get it powered on, we're going to put the cable in. You hear a click, this will light up, and you're good to go. So I'm going to bring this outside. I'll show you what this looks like when it's actually in my car engine. Okay, so now I'll show you what it looks like. Just lay it down into the hood of my car. And here is going to be where you can control the brightness if you want to turn it down. Otherwise, if it's a dark spot, you can always turn it up. What else is cool is you can flip around. You got a 180 view on the camera. You just got to click that button. If there is something you want to take a picture of, up top here, just click that. It'll snap a photo for you. If you want to record something, hold it down, and it'll begin recording for you. So overall, super easy to use. You can grab all this video too and send it to your customers or do whatever you need to do or use it for yourself. So overall, super easy to use, super nice to set up. Like I showed you, as simple as possible. It comes fully charged, so you can use it right out of the box. Overall, this does its job. It does it really good. I give it 2 thumbs up.